So the first place we'd start is Operator Hub. Operator Hub is where you add functionality into your OpenShift cluster. And we're going to look at what operators we have installed in this cluster here to talk through what we did before the demo started. So a lot of capabilities that you typically see around Ansible and AMQ and Grafana. Those are very common inside of OpenShift. As we go down, we see that there's some IBM CSI drivers available and the IBM Storage Fusion Backup Restore that can be used for data protection for your enterprise containers, as well as data protection for virtual machines.
That CSI driver is mounting external flash system storage, I believe, right?
Yeah, so the same CSI driver from IBM is used for our flash system products and our DS8000 products, right? And so that makes it possible for this cluster to consume that all-flash array technology that we have inside of the storage brand. And then Backup Restore agents have a small footprint to do the snapshots and the data mover workloads. The server, you can have a single hub that manages multiple OpenShift clusters, and that has the catalog of all of the backups that have happened since the beginning of the enterprise deployment, as well as policies to know when to delete those. So when e-discovery comes a knocking, you've got all of those old backups deleted, and then you have enterprise view of the health of all of those backups too, so that we can make sure that we have some governance wrapped around it instead of each project owner kind of managing Backup Restore themselves. And then Storage Discover is our data cataloging tool to bring policies and visibility around file systems and object storage buckets in a single data warehouse that we provide for you to be able to query against. That's popular with data science workflows. It's also popular with customers that want to have data scanning, looking for PCI or PII data, that sort of thing.
Yeah, and looking at IBM storage, you'll note that the cluster is in the midst of an upgrade, actually. So there's kind of a live upgrade going on to 2.7.2.
That's right. 2.7.2 is very new. It just came out last week. So we're excited to be trying that out here too for the demo. All right. And then OpenShift Virtualization is available from Red Hat's container registry. And that's installed as an operator into this cluster that provides the UI and all of the management for the virtual machines. Kind of the equivalent of Virtual Center in the VMware ecosystem, right? Is OpenShift Virtualization. And then Migration Toolkit for virtualization. This is an operator also available from Red Hat's container registry that lets you take virtual machines that are either running in a different OpenShift cluster, and I want to do cross-cluster migrations, or heterogeneous migration from a source VMware cluster to migrate virtual machines into OpenShift Virtualization for the first time. Okay. Then we have Data Foundation, which is the software-defined storage container ready storage for file, block, and object out of a single pool of capacity. Built on top of the open source Ceph and Rook projects. And that's pretty much it for the operators that we have. So hopefully some of that was review for you if you've seen some of the OpenShift before. If you're new to OpenShift, that's really kind of how to dynamically update things in the UI, and long-running operations inside your cluster is through the operator framework. Okay. Then from there, once that OpenShift Virtualization operator is installed.
Thank you. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please like and subscribe.